Welcome to Dave's Care Garage. Finally got to the dump and got all this crap out of this truck. And it is noisy. So today, we're going to quiet this sucker down. Stand by. One of the problems here is that somehow, I don't know if they cut it off or it fell off. I don't know. But the catalytic converter is cut off in kind of a bad spot. So we're going to see what I can do with that. First thing I need to try to do is see if I can't straighten it a little bit. The first thing I tried was this pipe spreader, but it's entirely too small. And the rubber bands around it are shot and it just fell apart. So I grabbed a hammer and we'll pound this out as much as I possibly can. I got a crazy idea. Let's put a clamp on here and tighten it down and see if I can straighten it out some. And it actually worked out pretty good. It straightened out some, but I still had the bead on it. And okay, so we're gonna do a little welding here to make this stupid thing fix it up right. I don't want that to move. All right, let's put this setting on high. And that should be about right. Now, I'll close my eyes on this one, just want to tack it right now. One more. I don't think I tacked that right. Oh. I know I won't be able to weld this all the way around, but if I get most of it, at least quiet the truck down. That's my main goal here. Quiet the truck down. I've said it before, I'll say it again, I'm no welder. But that ain't going nowhere. No, it ain't. Sure ain't. One thing about welding underneath too, remember, stay out of the way of the drips. Like I say, I'm not going to get all the way around on this, I know that. So now, got that round sorta. I'm going to take and I'm going to tap this in here and make this match. I can get to this a whole lot easier. Now I'm gonna weld that sucker just like that. Yeah, I am. What I got's a cherry bomb. It says it right here. I don't know if you can read it. Cherry bomb turbo muffler. We're gonna pop this on. I was gonna get a cherry bomb glass pack and put it on it. I really just want to quiet it down right now. Well, if we ever put a V8 in it, which I plan on one day, then we'll put glass backs on it. But for now, we're going to put this turbo muffler on. We'll see what the difference is, how it sounds. Now, the other thing is, there an inlet and an outlet. I see no arrow. There should be an arrow to tell you the flow. Into inlet or outlet. Let me get the box. The extent of the directions is this picture. And it shows the offset is your inlet. And the arrow going out of the middle one. So evidently the middle one is your outlet. That's got to be my outlet. And that's my inlet. That works for me. This one goes on here. That, and then this one goes on like this. Turn it this way here. And in there like that. There we go. That sits right there real nice. That does. Number one. All right, let's see. I think that's going to go rattle against that thing, yeah. So, I think what I want to do is get this on. Get it on, put your bolts just on, not a long ways, just so they stay. So you can still turn them. You want to watch this stuff like this here. See, I don't want that to hit anything, so I'm going to put this here. I think this will be good, but you also got to be able to get to the bolts to tighten them. So I'm going to turn them up this way a little bit. All right, now we're tightening down. 9/16 here. Ready for SAE. Kind of odd to get to. I love to have a set of ratchet wrenches like Paul's got. They're pretty awesome. I should have it clamped down on there pretty good. Let's get that second clamp here, the one I was using earlier. Take the bolts off of it and put it back on it. Everybody got pipe. Pipe to go on the end of the pipe. Like that. So it's a turn down. And a clamp. Another clamp. A couple clamps just in case. Now I think this will fit up this way. Since this don't really fit the way I want it to, it's okay. Because I'm just going to, as this fits up inside the other end. So we're going to, yeah. So I'm just going to weld it together like that. Yep, nothing to it. there. Get a round on it there. Well, there we have it. That's going to go just like that. This is still very hot here. All right, all right. That's much better. These are called nut certs. You may have seen them on YouTube. And basically it goes into a hole and then a big contraption squeezes down on it and rivets it into the hole. Riv nuts, another thing they're called. Okay, sometimes you can't even get that big contraption in the hole. That big contraption is anywhere from $60 to $130. You don't need all that. This bolt here is the bolt that's going to go in the nut cert. You hold this one while you wrench this. This stays still while this will turn. See, that's not going to turn because you're holding it with the wrench here. This one here, as you move it down there, it's going to crush that. So let me drill the hole and then we'll take a look. I hope the sound's not awful. I'm having to use the phone. It's been one of them days. Everything has to break. That. I'm just going to turn this here. And what that's doing is I'm holding the bolt from turning, so we're just pulling the rivet in, squashing it down, just like any old rivet. Now, yep, all right. That's been all tightened up in there. Now let's pull this out. A nut installed up in there. Stays where it is. Now I gotta put it. Now I got a holder, a mount, whatever you want to call the damn thing. And we got the muffler on it. It sounds a whole lot better. You heard it. And comes back here and turns down right there. We got the hanger right there that we put in to the rib nut. Oh, that's an exhaust. There we go. I think it looks pretty good. It definitely sounds better. Well, we got the exhaust on. I really fought it, and it was hot today, so that's why I'm so beat. I'm cleaning this mess up. I'm going in the air conditioning. See you next time.